Installing uniform and perfectly flat floor and wall coverings has always taken a lot of effort. For this reason, Mapei created a series of leveling and spacing systems to help you install perfectly flat ceramic and stone surfaces quickly. A complete range of spacers and leveling systems, including MapeLevel ProWDG System wedge leveling system. Accurate, quick, and easy to use. What is more, thanks to its new geometry, the wedge lasts even longer and reduces plastic waste. To recap, here are some main features. Application using special pliers, complete range of spacers, simple and accurate adjustment, easy removal, reusable wedge. With Mapei leveling systems, surfaces will be perfectly flat more quickly, and with savings of time and effort.